Welcome back everybody to the channel. We are back here at the project for the Melton houses. As you guys can see, we have trusses already up on top of us. The trusses was a 5/12 pitch. It has a 2x8 fascia board and a 1x2 drip edge. I don't know if I said the plywood is a 5/8, but it's 5/8 plywood. And then the only thing that we didn't like, and I wish we would have changed, but it was already too late because the trusses were already built, was when this overhang comes down, we didn't want it to be at an angle because it makes the house look shorter. And the house is 9 feet 4, and if the trusses would have been like just basically a triangle like this instead of pitching down and like that, it would have made the house look taller. But it is what it is, and it would have cost a little bit more, but it makes the house look just a bit more unique and just taller basically. So this is what the house looks like so far. As you guys see on the other house, we're not done yet. We're almost about done, but this should be done there probably by tomorrow, and then we should be calling inspection for Thursday, and then on Friday we'll do the underlayment, and then we'll call an inspection again for this Monday, and we'll go ahead and put the metal roof, which will be a 5E crimp. So let's go ahead and check this house out. So as you guys can see, they still have a little bit more work to do here. It's mainly the sheathing part that they have to do, and on the other house they should be probably buttoning it up, that one right away, and they just have to re-nail it, make sure they take all the ring shines out for both of these houses, and then we'll go ahead and call it for inspection. But we should be back here for the next video as soon as they start doing the underlayment, so that way we have a longer video and it's not that short. So we'll catch you guys up for the next video. Welcome back everybody. We are back here at the Melton project. As you guys can see, we are back here. We're working inside for the interior framing. We're doing the interior wood frame. We're doing the windows and door bucks as well. Right now what they're doing, they're putting the furring strips, the 1x2 against all the walls. They already did the layout on the ground, so now they know where they have to put that 2x4 pressure treated plate on the bottom, and then all the wood studs are going to go 16 inches on center. So let's go ahead and check that out. So as you guys can see right here, they already did their layout all across right here. We were over there, but I'm showing you guys over here because right now there's a lot of noise out there. So these are where all the wood framing walls are going to go up, all along right here. We go ahead and mark it, and then we spray paint with clear coat, so that way as they're working, it don't washes away. So all against these walls, we're using a 1x2 4-inch strip up and down. It's 8 feet tall, and then right here, all these lines are marked at, we're using a 2x4 pressure treated wood. So that's going to go right there, and then all the studs are spruce. Sure, all the studs, like I said, they're going to go 16 inches on center, and then on top we go ahead and put another 2x4 spruce across. And that's going to complete this whole wood framing. And then also we're going to be doing the windows and door bucks. So we're going to put our bucks all against our windows, and as well for our doors. We do have 2 doors, one up front and one in a rear porch. So that's what we have so far. Maybe they'll be done with one of the houses today, but probably tomorrow they'll be done with both houses. So we'll be back later on to check up on them on the process as they install these wood for the interior framing.